Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram chats tidy and private, enabling auto-delete for your messages is a great option. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set Telegram to automatically delete messages after 1 week. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience and newest features. Once you're in Telegram, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select Privacy and Security. This section is where you can manage all your privacy preferences and security options. Next, look for the option labeled Passcode Lock, or sometimes Lock App, depending on your version of Telegram. Tap on it. Here you'll see the feature called Auto Delete Messages. Go ahead and tap Auto Delete Messages. You'll be presented with several timer options for how long messages should remain before being deleted. Choose After 1 week to set Telegram to automatically delete all new messages 1 week after they're sent. Once you've selected After 1 week, make sure to tap Enable to activate the feature. That's it. From now on, any new messages you send or receive in your chats will be automatically deleted after 7 days, helping you keep your conversations private and your chat list clutter-free. Keep in mind, this setting will only affect new messages going forward. Existing messages in your chats will remain unless you manually delete them. You can always return to these settings to change the auto-delete timer or turn it off if you wish. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who also want more control over their Telegram privacy. Stay safe and enjoy your cleaner, more secure chats.